Hi guys, it's Amanda here. So, whilst I was away, I came across this called diamond painting, and some of you probably already well into the diamond painting, but it was something that I thought to myself, let me explore. Came in a little box, and this was the image. Now I've already started, and what the diamonds are, the diamond painting, is they're colour-coded little plastic, let's see if we can come in, yeah, as you can see, they're little plastic shapes, and you basically, it's like painted by numbers basically. So you've got all of these, you've got more than enough for your painting, for your image. And the other thing it comes with is a little bowl and some wax. And when I first got it, because it doesn't have any instructions in there, and I was just like, well, it had a little a sheet, but I wasn't sure what the wax was for. And what it's for is there's a little applicator, and it's to help you pick up the plastic shapes. So basically what you do is you press this in there and it takes up a bit of the wax, and what this enables you to do is then, as I say, pick them up. So I'd already started this, as you can see, and I've got a few more to go. So now I'm and on the bag, because I was just like to myself, how are you supposed to know which colour is which? But on the bag it's got the number, so it's very clear. Now I found this to be a really relaxing activity. I didn't feel like getting out any paints, and I just wanted something that would just be, you know, I could just be away with my thoughts. So let's get a bit closer. So this particular one is number 8, and as you can see, can you see that? Let me just come out a bit. Right, cool. So as you can see, and you literally just do that, and then you add it there. Now this image is actually sticky, so you literally, yeah, just pick it up and place it. Now I'll come out. Oops, sorry about this, shaking, it's been a while. Okay, and you continue to just add them. Now I have found spots where the stickiness, especially round the edge, I think when they laid down the stickiness, they came down a little bit too far, because all of some of the numbers along here don't have any stickiness to them. See, like that one. And you can put on your favourite music or podcast or whatever it is you're listening to. Oops. So I'm going to keep on. It comes in a variety of different images for you, and some even more complicated ones. And if you look online, I'll leave the links to some in the description, so that you can take a look at some of the other designs that you can get. Oops. And I guess with the ones that are left over, you can maybe even make your own image. See, all of these at the end are not sticky. Okay, so it looks as if I've finished. It's a nice little thing that you can frame, and there's only a few right in the edge. Let's come in right at the edge where there's no stickiness, but it's quite a nice picture. See, it's just those ones, and what I can probably do is add some glue and attach those. And there are still loads left over, so maybe I can create my own pattern, sort of like a mandala maybe, from them. I'll have a go and let you know how it gets on. But yeah, I'm going to just frame this, put it in a little frame, and that's a nice relaxing time spent. And you can do that any time. So I hope you try it. You can get smaller, I'm sure you can get smaller sizes. This is 30 centimeters by 30, and it took me, I kind of worked on it over a few days, just when I needed just to kind of wind down, or like first thing in the morning when you just want to kind of ease into your creative practice. So I hope that was interesting. Okay, take care for now.